Hola a todos. Let's get started. Okay, so I have a closet, entry closet like every other person. When you come inside the door, there is a closet where you put your shoes and you put your chamarra, and then you close the door if you can close the door. And when you close the door, todos los zapatos huelen because it's all in there and you don't want anybody to see it and you're embarrassed about it. Well, that's just me because, you know. Anyways, so I decided to do something different. Someone called Maddie showed me Pinterest, like how to actually make it work. And now I need to just always be Pinteresting my whole house. Also, keep in mind that this is not I do not own this house, so I need to be able to take all of my decorations and stuff out because this is in my house. So I have to leave it how it was when I came here. So, keeping that in mind, I always try to make all of my things that I do, my DIYs, not permanent because, you know, the owner will not like that to have my style always here, right? So I have to leave the house how it used to be. So, anyways, here's what I did. I only used tape, the screwdriver, and my tape. So, I literally, this is my finished project. As you can see in the video before my time lapse, it was horrible. There was everything everywhere. You could not find anything. My mom would give me con la chancla if she saw my house that dirty, right? So this is like my mini tour. These things I got at la Walmart. And it was like $25. What I like to do is to use the tape to kind of put it up, to pretend put it up, to make sure that I cut everything that I need to cut, and then I paste it on, just because I don't want to be taking the adhesive of that thing many times, because it will fall out later if I don't put it on right the first or second time. So that was that much. This I actually got for free because I like to get things for free a while ago. This as well, I got it for free. I used to have that in the bed, like on the foot of the bed. But since I built my bed frame, I really like to be able to see my bed frame, so I don't want that there anymore. I got this tray. It's a plastic tray from Target, for the shoes, so that when they're wet with rain or with snow, it does not get all over my floor. And I got that for like $4.50. And then I also have a nice little rug. It's just a little rug down there. And that one I got for about $5 maybe. ¿Mande? ¿Te gusta? ¿Sí? Siéntate y para que hables con nuestros amigos, ¿va? Sé mi modelo. Okay. And so then I got these hooks 2 summers ago in a garage sale for 25 cents each, and I have 2. I decided to put them there. I also got some on Amazon. I can put the link on there too, because it was like $7.50 for 5. And I really like the style, and I want to add some more on here. This lights. Okay. Good, puppy. These lights I got for like $15 in Menards. I got them in the summer too. They were meant to be something different, but Nisa actually threw the controller in the toilet, so that didn't work out. Control, tu, yes. And so then this was already here. I took the bar out, and I took it out with my screwdriver. ¿Quieres ir a jugar abajo con tu papá? ¿Sí? Thank you. And then I bought these at Target. So these were actually priced on the floor for $6. I took a picture because I knew it wasn't $6. Like, I just knew, like, they're so nice. But the whole lane, the whole cap was full of them. So it was like indiscutible. Like, I knew that they had to match it because it was just they just didn't know, they didn't reprice anything. So they didn't completely match it because it was $6. They only took $5 out, but it was like $12.74 the total. So they took $5 off of that, so that was pretty close. So I still bought both of these, and so that was nice. I also got these that are really cute for $8. I'm a sucker for these. So some nice little fillers. My plant, this is a low light plant, by the way, so that's why I put it here, because it still gets light from the window and from the door, but it's low light, so it's good, and it's still gonna grow a lot more. This is just a baby, so it will be more frondosa, and I really like the crazy hair like mine. And so here I have my umbrellas. I have this little hand thing to hand warmer, and then over here is all of Nana's things. I don't know if you can see, but Nana has a lot of gear. So we put that there, like all her boot bags and everything like that. And so this is my closet now. I really hope that it stays nice and clean. I really like it too, like if you want to read there, you know, like I kind of want to put the door back up and then just sit here and not let my kids know that I'm here. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this. I made it like in 3 hours. My house is a mess. I have to put the door downstairs and the rod downstairs, but that's okay because my house is nice. It looks like I'm actually trying, but I'm not. So yeah. Bueno, mijas y mijos, take care. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I did do some measuring because I had to cut the little wall thingy, the bricks. I had to cut the bricks. But other than that, you know, it was pretty easy. Cualquier mujer chingona lo puede hacer. I mean, come on. Y'all are badass. You gotta do it. So, yeah. Have a nice night. And thank you for watching. Hi-yo.